Hello, CASA friends. Our book today is called Here We Are by Oliver Jeffers. Oh, look, and on the inside jacket, it says, how to find your way whenever you get lost. You simply search for the North Star and you follow it north. There it is, the brightest star in the sky. And here's the Little Dipper and the Big Dipper. North, east, south, west. Here we are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth by Oliver Jeffers. Our solar system, one of trillions. So we all know that the sun is at the center of our solar system because solar means sun. And here are the 8 planets that revolve around it. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And there's the arrow pointing to us. Here we are, 3rd planet from the sun. Well, hello, welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. It's like the giant container for everything. There is much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. The planet is basically made up of 2 parts, land and water, as we've learned from our sandpaper globe. Land and water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we are standing on right now. We know lots about the land. It can be flat, pointy, bumpy, it can be dry, wet. And we know of many different land and water forms from our Montessori classrooms, such as mountains, lakes, rivers, peninsulas. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk some more about that once you've learned to swim. I bet all of you can swim. Can you spot the scuba diver? Can you spot the shipwreck? Can you spot the turtle? There's also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. Right, here's the Milky Way. That's our galaxy. There's stars, constellations. Those are groups of stars that are relatively close together compared to other stars in outer space. Sometimes the sky is blue, sometimes it's not. Why, I wonder. There's the stratus thingy. Okay, moving on. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. Here's examples of different body parts. You've got a brain for thinking, a heart for pumping your blood, lungs for breathing, bones to hold it all together, legs, belly, arms, and head. Look after it, as most bits don't grow back. Only 2 parts of your body grow back, I think. Can you guess what they are? Nails and hair. The most important things for people to remember are to eat, drink, and stay warm. I hope you're doing all of that inside your house today. People come in many shapes, sizes, and colors. We may all look different, act different, and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. Can you spot the sumo wrestler? Can you spot the beekeeper? How about the juggling clown and the cowgirl? There are animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak, though that's no reason not to be nice to them. That's right, we're kind to all things on planet Earth. Can you spot the rooster? Can you spot the sheep? How about the kangaroo? I bet your head is full of questions. Be patient. You can ask them soon enough. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it's daytime and we do stuff. The rest of the time, it's night when it's dark, save for the moon. And we sleep. We know that it's daytime on the half of the Earth that is facing the sun, And it's nighttime on the other half of the Earth that is facing away from the sun, because during one day, a 24-hour period, the Earth rotates on its axis, and half is facing the sun and half of the Earth is turned away from the sun. And then it continues to turn, and it changes from night to day and day to night. Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth, kind of like right now. Look at that, isn't that peaceful, that artwork? I would like to be in that field right now. More often though, they move quickly. So use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. And though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked everything out. So there's plenty left for you to do. You will figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. It looks big, Earth, but there are lots of us on here. Approximately 7,327,450,667 and counting. That's a big population, a lot of people. So be kind. There is enough for everyone. Well, that is planet Earth. Make sure you look after it, as it's all we've got. Now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. That's your mommy or your daddy. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else, like your teachers or your aunts or your uncles, or your hockey coach, you know. You're never alone on planet Earth. Look at that long line of people in all different shapes and sizes and colors. The fact that we're all so different is what makes planet Earth an interesting place to be. The end.